guys, tumingin natin nakakain ng chocolate. Ayun ko nag-slime kami. Slime muna. Hindi, kakain muna kami. So, trapos na natin. Nahati ko na sa gitna yung akin.
Mia, how we can make me top? The pink one? Yeah. Have you lying? So sorry, Isabella. I borrowed the top last week and I fell and it tore up the line.
Ganito na lang.
I tried to fix it. And Mama sent me back to the village. What are your secrets too? And you can do your homework. Remember? Are you like threatening me? Yeah. I was shocked that Mia could go so low. After that day, Mia only got bolder. She kept taking my stuff without telling me. Not only was she taking full advantage of my things, she didn't
Walang
even
bunting.
either. She even told Mom that I trashed my room on purpose to make her do more work. And it was no shock that Mom believed her.
Ang laki. Ang laki.
You're almost 16. Get your act
Kulit.
together. Clean your room now. Oh, you're so mad at me. I have been nothing but nice, and she'd taken advantage of me. I started cleaning my own room and work every day before I left for school. It was hard, but soon I got the hang of it. If it weren't for that, I would have gone crazy. I was like
Chichimira ko
a ray of
na.
sunshine more and more.
Brown.
One time we moved out on the day, precious
Dinulit ko na.
earrings. She's
Yung
so
mabalik.
pretty. Not prettier than you. Matt kissed me. That was so cute. I was so in love with him.
Wag mo dyan kasi ilaw ko. Ay, dyan.
Sick. Mom and Dad took me to the doctor, and then
Yeah,
some viral infection in me.
Kaya din sa akin.
Literally knocked out cold because of the med. I stayed in bed.
Igagawin natin.
When I finally felt better, I tried
Ayan,
going
so kakain na kami.
He was unreachable, and he
Taste,
had not
taste.
been everywhere. He even changed his.
Anong basa?
He
Hershey.
left me a message on Insta. Good luck.
Hershey din sa akin.
I'm moving out of town because of Dad's work. So I'm sure you must be happy. When I tried
Tinuturo
to
ko na.
reply, I couldn't. What was that even about? I was
Palit tayo. Nagpalitan kami. Ang chocolate sa kanila.
Your business choice, of course. And Sophos clears the path to your success. That's a win-win.
Masarap na sa kanya. Masarap din yung kanya.
I was sad for weeks. One day when I stepped into my room, I saw Mia in front of
Sabay-sabay.
the mirror trying on the earrings. Hey, get those off. Zach gave those to me. For God's sake, stop touching my stuff. Zach, the same guy who royally dumped you, still hoping he'll come back to you. You are very naive. Here you go.
Nanonood din kami.
I am so gonna tell Mom. Good luck convincing
Gusto
her.
niyo makita?
Okay, we will never believe you. Careless liar of the family. She was right. She had Mom and Dad.
Ito ba nanonood kami?
I saw Abigail flaunting her new hair, and so I wanted to do the same. That's what girls do. Change their hairstyle after a breakup. When I asked Mom and Dad to let me have the treatment, they refused, saying I was too young. Well, they were wrong. I watched some YouTube videos of the treatment. Looked easy, but I didn't have enough money to afford it. I snuck into my mom's room and pulled out a credit card from her wallet. A few days later, my package arrived. I made sure everyone was busy before I set everything up. After hours of work, I took the towel off the mirror to look at my new and improved hair. What the heck? My hair was curlier than
Kainin ko
before
na naman
and
to.
clung to my head like a furry cat. Abigail heard me scream and rushed into the room.
So, kain na
Oh my
tayo.
God, what happened? Oh, Abby, it went all wrong. Calm down.
Hindi ko na
Take a
hatiin.
deep breath. How did this even happen? Yes, how did it? But one look at Mia's evil grin, and I had my answer. You witch. You did this. Why are you this way? What did I do to you? I was always nice and treated you well. It just annoys me to the core that a dumb witch like you is living this perfect life while someone like me is just a maid. You have a serious problem. You're so sick. I knew it was you who did this to me. Me? That's enough, Isabella. It's your own fault. I have the credit card receipts. I can't believe you've been stealing from us. Oops. Told you so. Just wait, you witch. I'll expose you for who you really are. Best of luck. A few days later, we had a huge party at our place. I felt so sad that I couldn't attend because of my hair. But then I found a box. A beautiful wig was inside from Abigail. finally showed your face. I didn't want to come. My dad made me. How could you leave me like that, Zach? Did I never mean anything to you? I left you? Last time I checked, you dumped me because one of the jocks had gotten you pregnant. You told me to stay away because you wanted to be with him, whoever the jerk was. Where is he even? Hearing his words, I felt the ground shake. Pregnant? Me? Seeing me shell-shocked, Zach realized I really had no idea what he was talking about. He then showed me instant messages from me telling him to back off. Checking the dates, I realized they were sent when I was sick. And then it all clicked. By any chance, did you talk to my maid, Mia? Actually, yeah. I called your number and she picked up and said you asked me not to call you ever again. Oh my god! That psychopath witch! The moment I spotted her among the guests, acting as if she were some supermodel, I slapped her. Seeing Zach next to me, her eyes widened. You crazy evil psycho! You went too far this
Natutunan na siya,
time.
guys.
Our shouting attracted everyone from the party.
Natutunan na.
God, you should be thanking me. I was saving you from this freak. Yeah, I told a small lie, but it was so worth it. I felt my cheeks turn red and I just wanted to hide.
Kaso yung iba dito sa mesa ay wala pa. Hindi pa siya tunaw. Pag hinawakan mo lang.
How dare you treat my sister this way? Wait till you hear what she actually did. Zach told Mom, Dad, and Abigail the whole lie Mia told.
Kasi nakatakpun siya
Mia,
kasi
how could you do this?
kasi kaya natutunaw kasi nakatakpan ng dito
I
na.
want to be a sensible poor girl. I'm too smart. No, I'm a genius. That's how I ruined your daughter's life. Yeah, I hacked your phone, Isabella. You dumb, useless girl. And said Zach everything. Someone like him can't be with someone like you. I want your life. Why should I have to work for all the things I want? I won't be a loser like my mom. Don't talk to my mother that way. And calling your own mom a loser?
Gusto na namin lalaroin.
As if you could, before she could even finish, someone grabbed Mia's arm. It was her mom. Mia, you are a disgrace. This family took you in, treated you as their own, and this is how you repay them. I'm sorry, Miss Isabella. My daughter is out of control. I knew she had some problems, but I never expected her to go this far. Isabella, we're sorry, darling.
So guys, lagay muna namin sa ref. Mamaya na lang namin kakain kasi sa punto
Get
na
out.
sila.
Now.
Yes, papatigis namin ulit. Para maging yummy.
Curtains on fire with some candles. You stupid rich people treating poor people like trash.
Panoodin niyo yung maglalaro kami, wala yung kapatid ko lagi eh. Kaya kami na maglalaro lagi, wala na.
Everyone ran out from me.
Pag gusto niyo sali ko kayo sa may ano mo, video mo habang maglalagay ako kung okay guys. Video mo. Helele. Yan. Rep natin. Rep na. Namin nilalagay yun. Guys, ayan. Ang lamig. Ang lamig. Ang lamig. Kahit kilikili mo hinaharang mo. Guys, ang lamig no? Kaya pag gusto ko sali namin kayo sa may vlog namin ay mag-subscribe at comment. Kung gusto nyo isali namin yung kapatid niya na si Sam ay mag-comment lang. Bye! So, magbabay ka na. Bye ka na. So, syempre huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe and click the bell button for aming video. Bye! Bye ka na. Bye!